gotta have a problem that you want to solve, a wrong that you want to right. And it's gotta be something that you're passionate about, because otherwise you won't have the perseverance to see it through. I don't ever want to hear you tell me that you can't make it fast. We can't look at the competition and say we're going to do it better. We have to look at the competition and say we're going to do it differently. We have an opportunity. And in your life, you only get to do so many things. And right now, we've chosen to do this. So let's make it great.